Hey, Matt here from Beverage Tractor. I just wanted to take a minute today to go over the BX80 Series loaders with the Swift-Attach loader design and setup that's on them, which comes on the BX2380, the 2680, and also the BX23S. The LA344, you can get it with a pin-on bucket or the 2-lever quick attach bucket. Now the BX23S, the tractor loader backhoe, the loader is a different loader number, but same system, same design, same mechanism. And we get a lot of customers that ask us, hey, what are all the silver pieces and the levers and things you got to move on the loader? And that's all a part of this Swift-Attach setup, that you can actually take this loader on and off from right here where I am sitting, which is absolutely awesome. You don't have to get off the tractor and pull pins and deal with the stands and then get a hammer out just to get your pins out. All of that has been taken care of, and filling with the couplers, Pioneer couplers, and having to remove all 4 of those. All of that's been taken care of by Kubota now and made it a lot simpler. My favorite part is definitely the quick coupler for the hoses that are designed now in just one big row, and I'll show that too. But let's get into this thing. Let's take a look at how this thing goes on and off and how simple it actually is. So I'm going to go ahead and start the tractor. Starting the tractor up on the RPM gauge, it'll actually tell you on there in orange. It says loader, backhoe, and then 540 PTO, which is yellow. But that tells you where to actually run the loader, and if you have the 23S, where to run the backhoe. So we'll go ahead and put this on up a little ways here, just to get a little bit of RPM to be able to maneuver everything. So we'll lift the loader on up, and I'm going to roll the bucket all the way down. And what I'm doing is basically that's going to catch the stand when it falls. There's a lever over here. You'll push in, drop the stand. You see that fall there. And then we're going to front take the pressure off where the pin. You have a mechanism here on this side that holds the left and right side into place, the arms. So we'll unlock that on both sides. And in doing so, that pretty much releases the loader from the tractor. And then it's just a matter of moving the loader itself. So the kickstand's down, it comes up and out of the U-shaped pieces on the frame itself. And I normally like to make sure that everything's up and out of the way. And then we'll back up just a little bit. And we'll cut the tractor off. I like to make sure that I take out all of the pressure and relieve all of the hoses there, make sure everything's good. And this is the 4-hose quick coupler, basically one connect that is on this machine. It's got a little red pin. You basically pull that, lift up, set that right in the perfect spot, the hole that they made for it, and you are literally off. The whole setup is that simple, which is really great. So if we were to come back after mowing and want to put the loader on to go move some rock or some dirt or something like that, what I like to do personally, normally when I set these back on, I like to try to make sure that the silver piece on the hood, the hood ornament, is somewhat in line with the front cylinder of the loader itself. And then the frame where the U-shape is, where the pins go, I try to get those as close as I can to the loader itself as well. But before actually moving forward and starting the tractor again, putting the 4-hose quick coupler back on. Awesome feature. Again, it's got 2 pins there. They slide right down into the holes that they were made for it. Push that lever down, check it, make sure it's good, and then crank it back up. And before I normally do that, when I come back, just in case I had hit the joystick, I'll make sure I take the pressure out again, just so that kind of falls down easily. We'll start the tractor back up, rev it right back up to the orange where the loader backhoe runs again. Pull forward. Like I say, I like to try to get the frame back into touching where the loader is, and then it's a matter of moving everything back into place. You kind of see it fall back in. You can undo the unlock and make it lock, and you'll hear them click back into place. Make sure you get the pressure there. Pick the loader back up, roll the bucket again so that we can now lock the kickstand back into place. Test it there, make sure everything's good. and now the loader is back on and ready for work. Yeah, so I hope this video helped out today. I hope showing you how to take on and off the loader gives you an easy way to do it from home. If the setup and you still have questions, please give us a shout. If you're just starting the process of looking for a tractor or even something like this, and this helped, please give us a call, or if we can help you with pricing it for you or getting you in your new Kubota, we'd love to help with that too. Give us a shout at 540-337-1090. You can even check out our website at www.beveragetractor.com. Check us out on YouTube. Please subscribe to this page as well, where we're going to post more videos and more tutorials on other tractors and other things like that as well. So subscribe to us, give us a thumbs up, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.